it is, the big old 250 cubic inch.
Well, I just bought myself a brand new 50-something-year-old engine. Brand new to me. It's a Chevy 250 cubic inch straight six. Oh, big rig coming by. Dual stacks. Whew. Go get it, gear jammer. Make that paycheck. This engine is going to replace the 250 straight six with the cracked block that's in the 1967 Chevy C10 barn find Stepside long bed. I got to this swap meet just at the last second. I knew there was a chance nobody would even be left there, but I've just been so busy working on Freeman's Garage videos for you. I got in the truck and drove a couple hours to get over there at the very last second, just hoping to find an engine. What do you know? There were two sellers left. One guy had all his stuff packed up and was just folding up his tables and putting them in his trailer. The only other seller there, he was pretty close to having all his stuff packed up and driving out of there. He had tail lights and things like that still sitting out on the table, old license plates, and then he had the engine that's in the back of the truck right now. He had that sitting there. I knew from 100 yards away exactly what it was. Well, I knew it was either going to be a Chevy 292 or it was going to be a 250. Let's pull this carriage over to the side of the road somewhere here, and I'll give you a sneak peek at the engine before it goes into the 67 C10 over on Freeman's Garage.
There it is, the big old 250 cubic inch straight six General Motors power plant. I see there's a Carter YF carburetor on there. It probably came off of a Jeep or something like that. Got an alternator, looks like a Delco Remy, and it is. We'll find out if that works or not. Oh, I see they got the heat riser flippy springy switch clamped open. The intake and exhaust combination manifolds do not look cracked. You got motor mounts. Those two holes there, that's where we bolt on our bracket for our clutch linkage. Yeah, it doesn't look like the valve cover gasket leaks. It's a little oily around the oil pan, but the rear main does not look like it leaks at all, so that's good. I'm not sure yet if we're gonna do new gaskets on this yet or not. I don't know if we need to. I don't know, we'll decide that over on Freeman's Garage. Ooh, and we got a fuel pump, and we got a HEI distributor. We might throw our original points distributor in this engine, you know, take it out of the cracked one and put it in this one. Not sure, maybe we'll test out the HEI. We'll have to look up the numbers on that carburetor and see if we can't kind of narrow down what vehicle it originally came from, because I'm pretty sure that never would have came on this. I'm pretty sure they only put Rochesters on these. So, but you know, we'll quadruple check on that, and also we'll run numbers on the block and all that stuff. Just by glancing at the numbers on the block tells me it's a 250, but on Freeman's Garage we'll get further into that.
The guy said it runs good and he doesn't think it's a smoker or anything, so we might not have to do rings or valve seals or anything. We might be able to just drop it into the 67 C10 and hit the road and be good to go. But this is Freeman's Garage. We're not just gonna slap that dirty engine in there. We'll give her a good cleaning and a good fresh Chevy orange paint job, Chevy competition orange. And you know, the truth of the matter is we really should actually hear it run and see it run before putting time and money into a paint job and all the cosmetics, you know, sandblasting the valve cover and priming and painting it and everything. You know, I trust the guy. I've never met the guy before, but I trust them. Well, that's the sneak peek. Go ahead and put a comment in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the arrow button, and share Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra videos. I really do appreciate that, and it helps a lot more than you might even realize.